Fancy meeting you here. Just kidding, nothing about this video or this channel or me is fancy. Welcome to another, well, this isn't Beater Box Friday, but it's Box Friday? Sure, that works. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media, or you can hit the subscribe button just like the Sponge Monkey is doing right now. I'm really having fun with this whole Final Cut Pro thing. Hey, hi pals. It's Friday, you know what that means. Mean a number of things, but I'm opening a box on YouTube, so I guess that's the thing I do on Fridays, and you can watch it too if you want. So join me on this fun adventure of opening a box while my window is open and you hear a wind chime in the background. So it's like a yoga class where the instructor is, you know, super annoying. This box comes to us from DRONKICKS. Now, I am personally a friend of drones. This box was available for anyone to purchase. So before any of you insufferable cretins decide to comment, "Oh, this box is padded," it's not. These boxes are extremely fair. I know Drone personally. He's an extremely good business person, and his site is awesome. So check him out, DRONKICKS.com. His mystery boxes come out randomly. He does them whenever he feels like it, and his boxes are more of a quality versus quantity thing. So there's a very good possibility this box will have under 5 or 6 pairs in it. There was no membership required to purchase these boxes, so all you gotta do is go to DRONKICKS.com, follow him on Twitter, turn on post notifications, and you will know when he is releasing boxes. This box cost $1,250 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,290. That's clearance. It's gonna be assisting us and ye in letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna break down the entire box at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the estimated market value is of the box. And keep in mind that the prices that pop up on your screen, that is not how much the shoes are for sale for. If you wanna know how much the shoes are for sale for, go to my website, sbmitch.com at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. Let's get this box open, shall we? Some of his boxes have clothes in them every once in a while. So there's a possibility there might be clothes in here. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Ooh, here's something you don't see in the mystery box game very often. Packing material. All right, so there's no loose pairs, so that's cool. Let's grab this first one out. We have a size 13.5C preschool Jordan 12. So we got a dead stock pair of little itty baby Jordan 12s. The colorway says desert sand, and it's like purple. So it's like a purple 12. I mean, it's very simple. It's the same thing as a regular Jordan 12, just smaller and made for a little bitty human. So not a bad thing to get. Little kids need to be fly too. Is that something people say? I don't know. So there you go, 13.5C, Jordan 12. Huh, interesting. That's something that I have a feeling we're gonna see a lot of in this box is dead stock pairs. That's just how Drone does this thing. We got a size 6 youth Jordan 11 Retro BG. Wow, the volume on that was really weird. Wait, is the volume on? Did I turn the volume on? I did, okay, good. Whew. All right, so this is a dead stock pair. It's a little bit older though. I wanna say these are from like 2014, maybe 16, I don't know. These are the Columbia 11s. No wear on the bottoms, it's a 6 youth. Now the only problem with these is there's a little bit of separation. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up right there on the midsole, which will affect the value, but they're not worn, so that's good. So if someone can glue them up or just don't care because their kids are gonna ravage these shoes anyway, but very cool colorway, and it's an 11. So there you go, 6 youth. Jordan 11 Columbia, new with issues, I guess you could say. I got a Jordan 5. Yeah, Jordan 5 Retro in a size 13. Size 13 people I know are always looking for things. All right, so these are worn, but these are in great shape. Got a pair of the Olympic gold medal 5s. Got that nice gold tongue on there, a little bit of gold accent on the midsole. These are in really good shape. There's just a little bit of wear on the outsoles, a little bit of creasing on the toe box. Cages and the tongue are not terribly discolored. A full Jumpman inside of there. Lace locks are included, size 13, Jordan 5, Olympic gold medal. Cool, good. I always complain about getting size 13, but I don't have any size 13 on the site right now. So we got a Nike SB box, very cool. Whoop, wrong way. Size 13, Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low Quick Strike. Ooh, cool. So this is a pair that I actually do personally have. These are worn, but like once. These are an Air Jordan 1 Low. It's a Lance Mountain inspired collaboration, I guess you could say. I've been calling these Animal Chin because it's very reminiscent of the skating video, The Search for Animal Chin. It's this canvas upper, and there's a UNC one underneath the right shoe and a Royal one underneath the left shoe. Someone got it from Civil, so that's awesome. So there you go. These are in great shape, size 13. Worn once or twice probably. Animal Chin Jordan 1 SBs, very cool. All right, so we got two more in here. God, this box is really good. A size 10.5 Kobe 9 Elite BHM. So these are worn, but dang, really great shape. There you go, Black History Month Kobe 9 Elite. These are the Kobe model that released after he tore his Achilles. That's why there's that little thing on the back. I just found that out recently. Don't think I know very much about Nike basketball shoes, but these are in good shape. Size 10.5, so it's a little smaller than the rest of the box, it seems. Outsoles are in good shape. A little bit of discoloration, a little bit of wear. Can't complain about this. This is a very nice colorway. It's very muted. It's very similar to BHM releases of this era, so cannot complain. There you go, 10.5 Kobe 9 Elite Black History Month release. Very cool. Got one more in here. It's a blue box SB, which I am very excited about. Nike Dunk High Premium SB in a size 9.5. Woohoo! Cool. This is a pair I personally have never owned. Not a huge fan of, colorway wise at least. This is a collaboration with Skate Park. This is a collaboration with Skate Park of Tampa. These are called the Cigar City Dunk High SBs. Tampa is known as the Cigar City, and Skate Park of Tampa has done a number of collaborations with Nike SB. This one is really great. You have so many different materials. The eyelets, the mudguard, it's like nubuck. You got this really nice suede on the vamp, leather on the side panel, more suede on the ankle. This is just a very nice shoe. It's a very great size. These are dead stock too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but with how hyped Nike SBs are right now, having a dead stock or late 2000s era SB is never a bad thing to have. Very cool. That's your last shoe out. Cigar City Dunk High SBs. Very cool. And that is a $1,250, $90, whatever you want to say, DRONKICKS mystery box. Worth every penny to me. Let's take a look at the numbers in the breakdown. Well done. I know those SBs are going for at least $400 to $500 right now. The rest of them are good pairs, good models. I cannot complain. So definitely check out DRONKICKS, DRONKICKS.com. He consigns, he sells mystery boxes like these. He sells just regular pairs. I mean, the dude's extremely fair, awesome to work with. So definitely check it out. DRONKICKS.com. Give him a follow on Twitter, DRONKICKS. At DRONKICKS, that's his handle. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. That's a very good box. Mystery boxes are going to be very, very tough to come by over the next couple weeks as Soul Supremacy closed their doors for a little bit to let them recover and recuperate. And no, that does not mean to DM me on Instagram saying, hey bro, I want to sell you a mystery box. Because the answer to that right now is no. Just so that's out in the air. Hey, have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye-bye.